Oh my god, it's hilarious. I have done so many videos on mandala, like mandala art series, mandala tray, mandala coaster. Recently, I have started a new series of mandala coloring book, and now I'm back with another mandala kit. Guess I am obsessed with mandalas. By the way, this time it's on MDF board. Let's start with the unboxing. It's simple and relaxing. It has pre-printed design, so you don't have to worry about making one. This kit was of 418 rupees. And of course, it's worth your cash. Try it and have fun, doodles.